wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title, you see this bag, new products, let's go. Okay, so these are from Huda Beauty. They are their new blush filter soft glow liquid blush. They retail for $24 each for 0.15 ounces. It comes in 5 shades. I got them in the shade Watermelon Pop and Peach Sorbet. Okay. This is a lightweight liquid blush with buildable pigments, and if you hear that in the background, that is my dishwasher, and finely milled micro pearls for a soft focus, high impact glow. Finish is radiant. The blush filter soft glow liquid blush formula has blendable pigments that effortlessly melt into the skin using its innovative doe foot applicator for a long-lasting dimensional airbrushed finish. The formula also includes a yummy candy scent to complement the sweet shade named. So I'm doing a post for them on IG, but it's really just like a kind of, hey, there's this new product, you know, swatch it, that type thing. So of course, you know, I felt like YouTube deserved a longer type video with my actual review of the product, you know, where I actually like speak. So let's see if I open this up, if I figure out how to open it up. Ooh, okay, wait, no, I still need the box for the video, so hold on. Okay, so these are the 2 colors on Huda's website. You know, like I said, they retail for $21 each, but they're offering like duo kits where it's, I guess, $42 or 40 something, but you can buy like 2 of them at a time, right? I don't remember the pairings that they had on there, but I'm wondering, like, are they suggesting those are the shades that you can mix for a really pretty color? I'm assuming you can mix all of them, but it's packaged that way. And there was one that was packaged for, like, I guess a deeper complexion, because, you know, Huda, like if she puts out a contour palette more suitable for fair skin tone, she'll also have a contour palette for deeper complexion. So I'm wondering if that's how the 2 sets were made. I didn't follow those sets. I just bought the shades that I thought were pretty. So this is the first one. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Oh wait, so that was the peach, and then this one. Oh, yeah, it's giving, we can mix them both. Yeah. Actually, what happens if I, let's put this on the face. Just to let y'all know, they smell like Jolly Ranchers, but they say all you need is 3 dots, and then so that is it for my face. So thoughts on this product. Pigmented, yes, but for my girlies, like, you don't want like that much on your face, you know, like you're not looking for like a Juvia's Place type pigmented blush, kind of like, you know, it almost looks like you're blushing from within type thing. I think you'll like this. Also, I think you'll like this because it's more of that type of finish, and it's also a type of more radiant finish. They said something about like highlighting in there. No, I don't wear highlighter anymore. Like, I don't purchase highlighter, I don't put highlighter on, but you see how like when you turn to the sides, you kind of have that like illuminating look to your face. I think if you like that type of blush, almost highlighter type duo, then you'll like this. And I think that's another reason why, even though it is, because baby, that's what it still looks like on the back of my hand, it's supposed to like flush into your skin and kind of looks like you are just kind of naturally, you know, blushing from within. So those are my thoughts on the new Huda blushes. Flattering to my skin tone. Okay, not doing too much, but doing just enough. But I also feel like it's buildable because it's just 3 dots on the face. So you could build it if you are someone like, no, when I wear my makeup, baby, I spend the money so that you know that I'm wearing it. Okay, it is buildable, so you can do that. But like straight out the thing, I think like that is how the product works, and that is probably who would like it most. So let me know if you have tried this product, or if you are intending to try this product, in the comments down below. This lash is irritating me. Cause like, you know when you feel like the lash is on, well, like you feel like it's lifting, but then when you go to check it, it like looks like it's on. But anyway, that is it for this video. Hope seeing me test it out, helping anything of checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.